back, babes. Today's video is all about looking beautiful without any makeup. Starting from a before like this, I'm going to show you guys some of the little things I like to do on a regular basis. So on days where I don't want to wear makeup, I don't need to. And a quick thank you to Airborean for teaming up with me on today's video. Taking care of your skin is so key for this. So I'm starting off with one of the things I love to do is taking a hot towel, just pressing it onto my skin to open up my pores and get my skin ready for the next steps. Exfoliating is key. I love using a daily exfoliant like this one from Dermalogica because you can use it every day, or a regular exfoliant that you use once or twice a week. This helps get rid of all the dead skin cells. It scrubs away that top layer of skin and reveals beautiful glowing skin. After exfoliating, I love using a mask. This one from Glam Glow is one of my favorites for an instant pick-me-up. Any type of skin glowing mud mask works great. It usually tingles a little bit at the beginning, but that's because it's working. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wipe it off with your warm towel and you'll reveal beautiful skin. Another favorite is my Jade Roller. This is something I've been using a ton lately. I love keeping mine in the fridge to keep it nice and cool for when I use it. Jade Rollers are great for helping circulation and puffiness for your skin. You want to start from the center of your face and roll upwards and outwards just to lift everything. You can use the roller on its own or with a serum or over a sheet mask. You will definitely notice a difference, especially if you use it in the morning. It really helps take down any puffiness and gets the blood circulation going, so it helps to even out your skin tone. Another favorite are these gel eye patches. I love these ones from Peter Thomas Roth for those days where your eyes are feeling extra tired, a little bit of darkness, a little bit of puffiness. These gel eye patches work great to get rid of all of that. I love keeping these in the fridge as well, so when I use them, they're nice and cold and they feel great on. I like to leave them on for about 5-10 minutes and then I take them off to reveal fresher eyes. A great facial spray like this rose water spray from Mario Badescu is a must. I carry this around with me all the time and I spray it to refresh my skin at any time. This helps with the glow of your skin. I like to keep mine in the fridge for that extra freshness. One of my favorite things is a great lip scrub. I love this brown sugar one from Fresh. This is a great way to get rid of any dry, chapped lips. I use this scrub to exfoliate and it leaves you with beautiful, soft lips. After the lip scrub, I love doing a lip conditioner, and this one from Glam Glow is a favorite because it also is a plumper. So not only are you getting soft, supple lips, you're also getting a little bit of natural fullness to your lips. Without any concealer, all you need is a great eye cream like this one from Ole Henderson. It's the Banana Bright Eye Cream. The yellow tint brightens and color corrects the eye area. This is an instant pick-me-up for your eyes, and it's really all you'll need to look fresh and awake. I use a little bit with my ring finger and gently circulate it around my eye area. Next is a product that I absolutely love. It is the Airborean CC Cream. I love how when you first apply this, it goes on white, but then completely blends into your skin tone. This CC Cream makes your skin look so radiant and hydrated. It corrects and evens out your skin tone, and it has SPF 25 in it, which I absolutely love. So you know you're also protecting your skin as well. This leaves your skin looking so beautiful without having to apply any makeup at all. This is the perfect product for every day and for that really beautiful no makeup look. And it's all just in a one-step product, so it's super easy. Just apply it with my fingers. It goes on white but blends in perfectly into your skin tone. I use the shade Claire. If you guys haven't tried this CC cream, this is an absolute must. It's available at all Sephora favorites walls in store and Sephora.com. Grooming your brows is key for that beautiful no makeup look. Whether you're plucking them yourself or getting them professionally done, keeping your brows groomed will really help so you don't have to use any product to fill them in. Another favorite trick is an eyelash curler. This instantly just opens up your eyes without having to add any eye makeup at all. A good eyelash curler will give your lashes a ton of volume for an instant bright-eyed look. And lastly, one of my favorite little tricks to do is to take a tinted lip balm. So you're conditioning your lips and adding just a tiny little bit of color. I love this one from Fresh. And then this is a trick that my mom taught me years and years ago, to take a little bit of that color from the lip balm and use it on my cheeks to just give a subtle, very natural pop of color without having to apply any makeup. I love that the balm has a little bit of dewiness to it as well, so it even looks as if you added a natural highlight. And without any makeup at all, you can look beautiful, fresh, dewy. Sometimes we just need to let our skin breathe, and I love feeling confident so I don't have to wear makeup but still feel great in the way I look. I hope you guys loved this video and found these tips helpful. Make sure you check out the links for all the products below, including a link to the Herborian CC cream, which is an absolute favorite. Let me know what you guys think of these tips, and if you have any questions or if you have your own, please leave them for me below. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video very soon.